It's really amazing how we try not to be attached to things, and yet we are. Things that just make us feel pretty, or bring back a good memory, or things you created that look really weird, but you just love them to bits and pieces. Yeah, my dragons. It still has a little bit of amethyst left color. Clay and clear quartz. Look forward to making more. Little girly things that just make me feel pretty, dainty. It's amazing. I keep very few pieces to myself, but this is one I had to keep. Jasper, polymer clay. Look forward to making more of those at the clay station. I think everything I make is childlike, isn't it? Oh, well, that's okay. We all need to be reminded to stay childlike, stay hope-filled, knowing that there's always better in any area in life. Well, finished up packing the Princess House suitcase, and it's got a couple of other things to go in that Princess House, the second Princess House suitcase. And then I'm going to finish up the resin room. It's about halfway done now this morning. Yep, I worked like a dog this morning, especially after Ramona brought boxes. I was hoping that that piece would fit in a really large box she bought, but it's not gonna fit, so I'm gonna have to what is it, the tape that's not so sticky, that to the little table and other large pieces that aren't gonna fit in a box if I have any. Office, you know, the little table that was here and the other little table that used to be here, and the matching one in the resin room. So I give myself till midnight to finish up most of this. Things in the closet are already boxed. They were books and stuff that I never even opened. That's my Princess House cake plate in that box. Throw all of these into a trash bag. They're not going to break, so I don't care. And then I'm going to break this down before midnight. Excuse me. Break that down. Oh, excuse me, before midnight. And probably put 2 of those bookcases in here. Okay, 1. The other 2 I'll just put tape around and stand them on ends. But at least I know where all these pieces are, you know. Oh well. It's break time. So I'm going to have a little cookie. relax for an hour, and then keep it pushing.
I got a package from Tasha, and Boz is really interested. Okay, now that I've taken the goodies out, I'll let Boz have it. There you go, buddy. Have fun. He loves bubble mailers. So let's see what I got. Ooh, I got a cute little dish, a little resin dish, and it's got glittery and purple, my favorite color. I got another purple dish, like a soap dish or a coaster with flowers in it. Look at those flowers. Oh, that's so beautiful. I got another little purple catch-all. Can put change in there. Got a couple of moon star earrings. Oh, those are so cute. I got another. Oh, wow. I'm going to put my eyeglasses on that. Because I always set them down on the table and they can just slide around. Oh, that is so gorgeous. Look at those flowers. She sent me a few pendants. Oh, your artwork is just so beautiful. And here I am just tossing them around. Oh. And these spin so I can fidget with them. I love fidgeters. Another one. Oh, focus. Again, a spit. Oh, that is so pretty. Blip. Fat fingers, not wanting to work today. Look at this beautiful mama. What did you say that was? Honey agate? Oh my God, that is so beautiful. I love it, I love it, I love it. And I got my very own junk journal. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, and it's got the pretty girl that I liked. Oh, I'm gonna have so much fun. Oh, and look at these little things. Oh, potions and whatnot. Oh, what's this? Oh, dresses. I'm gonna have to go through this more thoroughly. I'm seeing it for the first time through my phone here. And books. Oh, thank you so much. I've been watching you make these. Oh, I love this detail. And they look just so complicated and like so much work. And now I got my very own. Thank you, Tasha, so much for all of my housewarming gift and my new haul. I love it so much. Thank you. You're such a blessing. Love you.
Mostly all the kitchen is packed. Except that, those, and that shelf. This is all complete. Oh, gotta roll that up and put it in a big box somewhere. That's already in bins. Suppose I'll take that down whenever I get here. Princess house is packed. And mostly all of this is packed. Gotta find a big box or something, or a bigger tote bag to put those 3 tote bags in. Is there anything in this one? Yeah, there is. Oh, wow. Gotta figure out how to take those off. He probably didn't put them on. Wow, he did put them on correctly. That's a first. Oh, well. Grateful. Okay. Well, it comes halfway off. Thank you. I love those. I think I paid $20 for I don't know how many. But I sure like them. Too bad I don't have an electric drill. That would be easy peasy. So, I'm going to take tomorrow off before I tackle this. Happy she packed up the desk. And she's going to come pick me up Thursday, pay my rent, get my keys, and drop off food stuff. Can I take that out of here? No, damn. Oh, well, whatever. Help me, Lord. Please help me, Lord. No, you're not going outside. It's dark time. You got food in your bowl. You're not starving. Well, I did what I told myself I was going to do, so at least I'm happy about that. Finish up the old resin room tomorrow in the morning. Get it over with. Before it gets too hot. And then take the rest of the day off. Tomorrow's Sunday, right? Try and dump some more trash. All that old boxes of food. Well, I'm assuming it's old. I hope he doesn't make me take that apart, because that was a bitch getting that thing together. I don't want to take it apart. Between now and next move, I gotta make a lot more friends. Because I gotta tell you, this fucking sucks. Well, let me move that. I gotta put these 2 things in Princess House, the other suitcase. Yeah, I'll just keep those thoughts ping-ponging around in my own head for a minute. And I'm so grateful. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Ramona, for bringing me thousands of boxes. I do think I have enough to finish off the office. I got 2 cases of boxes from USPS. And, you know, all the flexible stuff go in trash bags. And my 1, 2, 3, 4 tote bags I found. I'm going to put all my bedroom stuff and take over, let me see, 27, 28, 29, 30. Oh wait, January, February, March, April, May, June, July has 31 days. 28, 29, 30, 31, 1, 2. Oh, no, what am I saying? Yeah, okay, I'm right. The movers come on the 2nd. Yeah. Just leave what I need to take every day and take over all this other stuff. Piece of glass that goes on top of the secretary. I'll probably take my 2 Princess House boxes, suitcases, and that's it, I think, huh? I think. Glass stuff, my dragons, Princess House, everything but my medicine can go off of here. Take that down and tape it up. This plastic bookcase. Cleaned out my dresser drawers already. As you know, I use my clothes to wrap up my stuff in. I can wash later. Oh, take that clothes rack down. Okay. Thank you for letting me roam over that. I think I'm gonna remember that. But anyway, I've already started a list of stuff. Don't forget the water Brita filter thing. Don't forget my curtain rods on the doorways. And don't forget all delicate glass stuff. That'll be it. Food. Stuff. Yeah. Anything else I should remember to take first in her car? You're so funny, Magic. You're so funny. Oh, maybe that's what I'll do tomorrow. Finish the dresser. And put those 2 in Princess House suitcase. Okay. Staying on track. I'm gonna miss the train though. Yeah, okay, thanks. I'm gonna lie down, drink some more water. I wish I could take my sticker things off the fucking wall, but that's okay.